Are you looking to set up an automated, efficient lead distribution system for a sales team? This video is for you. Distributing new leads to your team members efficiently can be the difference between closing more deals or losing them. While a CRM is commonly used to automate this process, you can still set up your own lead distribution system if you haven't subscribed to a CRM or want to keep costs low. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an automatic lead distribution system to streamline the process of sending new leads to your team members. I'll also cover how to collect and distribute leads using WordPress plugins and explore how Privyr simplifies lead distribution for maximum efficiency. Before I begin with the tutorial, let's first discuss why do you need an automated lead distribution system. Managing leads become increasingly challenging when they come from diverse sources like social media ads, search engine ads, website forms, phone calls, etc. Manually tracking, exporting, and sending the details of new prospects to your team members is time-consuming and labor-intensive. By the time you have distributed leads, they may have gone cold, lost interest, or gone to your competitors, leading to missed opportunities. Well, reaching out to new leads immediately is a universally accepted best practice for maximizing conversion rates. An automated lead distribution system can save you time and effort while ensuring your team can respond promptly or even instantly. Well, with this, let me show you how to manually set up automated lead distribution system. You can manually set up automated lead distribution system with a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet will store your leads in one place and automatically email newly added leads to your team members in an orderly manner. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Collect your leads in a spreadsheet. The first step is to gather all your leads in one place. You can use a spreadsheet to keep track of every lead that comes in. Create a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel and set up columns for the following: name, email, phone number, inquiry type, notes, assigned team member. You may add more columns with more data as needed, but it will be easier to update and review if you keep it simple. Add leads. Every time you receive a new lead via email, a website form, or phone call, add their information to the spreadsheet. You have to perform this step manually in most cases. If you are generating leads through Google Forms, you can automate the process of receiving leads to a Google Sheets. You can do this by connecting your form to a spreadsheet by clicking on the Responses tab on the Google form you are using to generate leads and selecting the green spreadsheet icon. Google Forms will automatically create a linked Google Sheet where all submissions are stored. The linked spreadsheet will update in real time as new leads come in. Step 2. Define rules for assigning leads. Once you have set up your spreadsheet, it's time to define how you want to distribute leads among your team. For example, you may want to assign leads based on location, like leads from New York go to Sarah. Distribute leads equally in round-robin mode. For instance, each new lead goes to the next person on the list, or route specific inquiries to a specialist. For example, leads about product A go to Alex. Write these rules down to make the process clear. Step 3. Use formulas and filters in your spreadsheet. The next step is to use formulas and filters to implement the rules you defined. Use filter to sort leads by location or inquiry type, then add formulas to set up automatic rule-based lead distribution. Here are some example formulas to add to the column where you want to assign leads to your team members. I'll post the formulas in the description as well. Step 4. Automate email notifications. Once you have ensured leads are assigned in the spreadsheet, the next step is to build an automatic notification system by email. You can either write down custom script by navigating to Extension, App Script to set up an automatic email, or do it using an add-on. Personally, I prefer add-ons because they provide a much easier way to do this step. Go to Extension, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Search for yet another mail merge or a similar tool. Install the add-on. Then prepare a spreadsheet. YAMM allows you to track who received the email and whether they opened them. Setting up a lead distribution system with Sheets is a bit tedious. You'll still need to manually handle some important steps, like downloading leads and then adding them to your spreadsheets. And unfortunately, this may still not guarantee a prompt outreach on new leads. An alternative approach is using WordPress plugin for automatic lead distribution. If you are generating leads from your WordPress website, you can use plugins to automate lead distribution. Most of these plugins are compatible with popular form builders like Contact Form 7, Elementor Form, and Gravity Form. Simply install and activate the plugin, then connect it to your form to get started. However, this method only works if you are solely generating leads from your WordPress website. In most cases, using a CRM is still the best way to distribute leads effectively. But CRMs often appear as a solution that is costly, complicated, and requires extensive training. This is where Privyr comes in. It's a mobile-first CRM that is easy to use, affordable, and as simple as the apps that you are already using to chat with your friends and family. Just a hassle-free way to engage and manage your leads personally without manual work. Privyr provides you with an excellent lead distribution system that's extremely easy to set up. No formulas or manual interventions needed. Here's how to set up your automated lead distribution system with Privyr. Create a Privyr account and download the app. Go to www.privyr.com, click sign up and create your free account. Then install the Privyr app on your mobile. It's available on both App Store and Google Play Store. Step 2. Connect your lead sources. In the app, tap on Account and select Integrations. Under the Lead Sources tab, you'll find a list of sources that you can connect with Privyr to automatically receive instant mobile alerts for new leads. Select your lead source and tap on Configure Connect. This will redirect you to the Lead Sources app or website. Click on Continue. This will integrate Privyr with a lead source. Repeat the same process for other lead sources if you have more. Keep in mind that the process of integrating a lead source may differ depending on the platform. Simply select the lead source to view the instructions. Step 3. Set up lead distribution. Privyr allows you to distribute your leads to external partners and people within your team. Based on what you prefer, there are 2 different ways to do it. The first method is for automatically distributing leads to your clients, partners, or team members where you don't need to monitor the subsequent sales process. The second method allows you to assign leads to your team members based on specific rules while also monitoring their sales process. Let's discuss first intent. This method works best if you are an agency or a marketing partner generating leads for your clients. You can set this up either on Privyr's desktop or mobile app. Here's how to do it on mobile. Go to Integrations and tap on Set up Lead Distribution. You will be redirected to the Lead Distribution Rules page where you can invite lead recipients via their email address. Create a new lead distribution rule by clicking on the plus button. You can also edit the distribution rules for all leads by clicking on the 3-dot button next to the For All Leads button. In the next step, click on Add New Recipient to invite your lead recipient using their email address. You can choose how to distribute your leads. For instance, if you are generating leads from different Facebook pages, you can choose to automatically forward copies of those leads to different recipients based on specific pages or ads that are relevant to them. After setting this up, new leads will be automatically distributed to your recipients based on your rules. You can also distribute existing leads if you are yet to share them. Let's discuss the second intent. You may want to assign new leads to your team members while being able to monitor the progress with their assignments. This option is ideal for sales team managers who want to have immediate insights into their salespeople's activities and progress with each lead. You can use a round-robin setup to assign leads democratically or customize the setup based on your team's unique needs. Go to the Team tab and tap Invite Team. It will allow you to invite your team members via their email addresses. Once your team members accept your invite, you can set up lead assignment rule, as explained earlier, and automatically assign new leads to your team members within a few taps. By adding someone to your Privyr team, their account is linked to yours, and you can access immediate data on the leads they have messaged or not messaged, the sales activity they completed, their average response time, and more. And there you go. You just created an efficient lead distribution system without breaking your bank or using complicated formulas. So this wraps up today's video. Share your thoughts, recommendations, or maybe your own experience of creating an automatic lead distribution system. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.